Dynamic file inclusion vulnerability. It's categorized as vulnerable components. Dynamic file inclusion vulnerability is the most common vulnerability in web applications. Dynamic file inclusion vulnerability exploitation let attacker access unauthorized dynamic files on the server. File inclusion vulnerability typically it occurs due to improper input validation and inadequate filters on server side. Moreover, I would say that this vulnerability exists mainly because of the poorly written code in web applications. There are two types of file inclusion vulnerabilities. One is local file inclusion and other one is remote file inclusion.